Greetings from the garden. My name is Ben, and today we're sharing 7 midsummer garden hacks to help you finish the season strong. So let's jump into the garden and we'll get started. Today I'm joined by Mike Maddox, Program Manager of the Wisconsin Master Gardener Program. He helps gardeners all across the state be more successful gardeners, and he's going to share the 7 tips with you today. So Mike, take it away.
Thanks, Ben. By this point of the summer, you may have crops ripening to the left and right of you, and you're just trying to keep up. I'm going to give you 7 hacks to get you through the rest of the season. Tip number 1, keep weeding. Don't give up on getting those unwanted plants out of your garden. Pull them if you can, and especially don't let them go to seed, as this is going to make more weeds for you next year. Tip number 2, keep harvesting. Don't give up. If you are overloaded with huge zucchini, harvest them when they're small. With a quick wash, they're good to eat raw. Also, harvest veggies in the morning while they're cool and don't have the heat of the day warming them up. They'll last longer in your kitchen this way. Tip number 3, if your garden is like mine, you have critters all over the place, and nothing bothers me more than when a chipmunk beats me to that vine-ripened tomato. So beat them to that mater and harvest just as you begin to see color forming on the shoulders of that tomato, and bring it inside to finish ripening on the safety of your counter. Tomatoes are one of the few fruits and veggies that will continue to ripen once picked. Tip number 4, keep planting. You can still put seeds of spinach, lettuce, radishes in the ground and have a fall crop. Tip number 5, don't be afraid to give your containers a late season makeover. Pull out underperforming plants and plop in something that you can now likely find on sale at the garden center. Give your containers one last hit of a water-soluble fertilizer to keep them looking healthy through the end of the summer. Tip number 6, if you've been composting, flip your compost pile. This will help you get ready for any kind of fall cleanup you'll be doing, and it'll be one less thing you'll have to do in later months. And finally, tip number 7, enjoy your garden. You've been working hard on it all year long. Put up your feet, pick up a beverage, and enjoy what you've done. You deserve it.
Mike, thanks for joining us today.
It's been a pleasure to be here. Thank you for having me.
We'll see you next time, and happy gardening.